I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to fix programs which takes a long time to open. Press Windows key plus R. And now type msconfig. In System Configuration window, click General and uncheck Load Startup Items and Selective Startup. Now go to the Service tab and click on the Disable All button. Now click on Apply button to save these settings. And now click on Restart. I hope these settings are worked in your case. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe my channel.